This one secret changes everything in your life. This one secret can add 1,000% interest to your bank account. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about your dreams and your goals, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you absolutely depend upon. So we invite you to subscribe, click the bell icon. We'll send you a new video every single day on the ancient mysteries, the law of attraction, and of course, the latest in the mind sciences. Today, we're talking about a secret that when you apply it, will change your whole life. I mean, your whole life will start to explode in a positive, optimistic, incredible, resourceful way. But first, I want to share with you something kind of special. I got it right over here. It's a book, and it's a gift that I purchased for my son, Julian. He's 2 years old. And so I bought him Napoleon Hill's Law of Success. I don't expect him to start reading it anytime soon, but it's an incredible book. This is a must-have book for anybody who really wants to enjoy success and manifest more in their life. So in Napoleon Hill's book, The Law of Success, he talks about one of my favorite topics, one of my favorite techniques, and that is the law of increasing return. I like to call it the law of ever increasing return, because it's based on a very simple principle. It's almost a biblical principle. Give, and it will be given back to you. Oh yeah. Now, high flyers, I'm going to share with you how this technique, how this method absolutely brought me 1,000% increase in money that I put in my bank account. You can do it too. So let me tell you the story real briefly. Many, many years ago, this is a long time ago, I was living in Seattle, and I just had moved up there, and I had about 3 or 4 months savings in reserve. And my business, the business I was in, was going. You ever been on one of those roller coasters that only seems to go down? Anyway, I was doing great, but then all of a sudden, everything seemed to dry up. Nothing was flowing. And every week, I'd look at my pay stub, and it said zero. One night, I had a dream. And in that dream, the archangel Oriel appeared to me. Now, it could have been simply my own subconscious mind, but I saw it as the archangel Oriel. And he said, give seven $1 bills away to 7 homeless people. Give 7 $1 bills away. That isn't much, but I was down, high flyers, I was down to $50. That was it. I didn't know how I was going to survive. So I took $7. I went downtown, and I was so moved by some of the homeless people that I bought them lunch. They had a lunch special for like $1.25. You got a hot dog and a Coke and some fries. I bought them lunch, and then I made sure that I gave them a $1 bill. They could use it for whatever they wanted. After I was done with that experience, I got in my car and I was driving home. And my boss called me up and he said, I have a lead for you. It doesn't sound very good. Sounds not so good, but it's on your way home. Can you take it for me anyway? And I said, well, sure, I'll stop by. I stopped by, old dilapidated house. Okay, guy comes walking out, no teeth, 4 or 5 days growth of beard, hole in his t-shirt. I said, come on in. I remodeled his entire house, but I didn't think he had the money for it. And then he did something that surprised me. He went back in his bedroom, opened a safe, and pulled out a stack of money that would choke a horse. And he said, how much do you need? I gave him the figure. He counted out the money. I said, we'll start work this week. When I got back, you're not going to believe this. This is the true story, high flyers. When I got back, and my boss gave me my commission because he knew I was running on fumes, it was $7,000. My commission was $7,000. Earlier that day, I had just given away 7 $1 bills. The law of increasing return. You see, high flyers, when a farmer puts a handful of seed or a bag full of seed in the ground, he doesn't just expect that handful or a bag full to come back. He expects a whole farm full of seed and crop to come back. So think about this. Are you planting seed? Are you planting enough seed? Are you giving more than what is expected of you? Oh, that's the big one. Are you giving more than what is expected of you in your career, in your business, in your relationships, in your friendships, in your marriage? Are you giving more than what you're being paid for? Are you giving more than what is expected of you? That is the law of increasing return. When you give more than what is expected of you. High flyers, it's all about giving more. Giving. Most of us think in terms of, I want. Start thinking in terms of, I give. I don't care how broke you are, how poor you are, you can find something of yourself to give. Maybe you can help somebody. Maybe you can walk somebody across the street. Maybe you can sweep somebody's porch. Give. Get the flow of energy, the vibrational flow of energy and abundance and opulence flowing in your life by giving. The universe reads that. When you give, the universe reads that you are giving more. Giving. If you want to receive more, give more. Listen to this. Henry Ford, the founder of the Ford motor car, he built a huge empire. And one of his secrets was he promised a minimum wage to every employee in his employ. Now, that wasn't done at that time. That was very revolutionary. And he knew that if he promised a minimum wage and if he paid more money, he got more work. He got more quality work from the people that he paid. So I think he figured that if he paid somebody $5 a day, he got about $7.50 worth of work. Whereas if they only got paid $2.50 a day, he only got $2.50 worth of work. It was a business investment. Pay more to receive more. Give more to get more back. Get the flow of vibrational energy working for you. You see, when the universe feels that you are giving, it just feels this giving energy coming off of you, it sees you as abundant, because when you're abundant, you give. And so it matches that abundance with more abundance. It matches that giving with more receiving. That's huge. That means the real secret to getting more out of life in your relationships, in your business, in your career, is to give more. Give more right from the beginning. And it's okay. I believe it's okay to expect that you will receive more. I had a friend by the name of Jerry. Jerry worked his butt off at a furniture store, and he wanted to become a regional manager, and he worked harder than anyone else. Guess what? He became a regional manager at a different company for more money. You see, it's not always a one-to-one correlation. He didn't get more money from the company he was working for. He got it from someone else. That's how it works. That's why you want to always have the flow of energy working for you. You want to keep that flow of energy manifesting in your life. Give more, do more, and receive more. I call it paying it forward. So think about this. I do something positive for someone else. Now, maybe that person never acknowledges it. Maybe they don't even say thank you. They just, oh, yeah, thank you. No, I'm not going to say thank you. And they just walk off. But you did something nice. You paid it forward. Okay? And then 2 days later, 2 weeks later, a month later, somebody does something special for you. There it is. But usually what people do special for you is going to be much bigger than what you did for someone else. It's like planting seeds. You plant a handful of seeds, you receive a whole garden full of crop. Do more, give more, and pay it forward. This is the law. This works. I've used it over and, when things start slowing down for us, we have several business things that we're involved in. Guess what we do? We give more. Today, we went to Starbucks to get some coffee. Anybody who's ever spent the night at my house knows that morning is a coffee run. And on the way, there was a homeless person. Rachel stopped the car, and we have these nice little packages of a free Coke or a free drink, something to eat, a toothbrush, toothpaste, the whole thing. Give, give, give. And guess what? Receive, receive, receive. Okay, have a great day giving more of yourself. Do more at work. Come in a little early. Stay a little late. Give more of yourself. You're going to reap incredible rewards. Okay, have a great day again, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.